Class 11th. Good morning. Now I am going to consider or tell you about basic unit, supplementary unit and drive units. Basic unit, supplementary unit, and drive unit. Now first of all you have to know about what does mean by measurement. What does mean by measurement? Consider as you move to a shop and say please give me 1 kg sugar, then approximately you tend to turn it may be 1.01 kg, or you can think or you so use that it may be 999 gram, or it may be 101 kg. So that is the difference, mean the difference of the respect to standard unit. Means you can say the comparison of physical quantity with its standard unit. The comparison of physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. As I told you, you move to the shop and say please give me 1 kg sugar. So in that case the weigh machine show you 999 gram and 1.01 kg. So you have when, or sometimes if a shopkeeper give you 1.10 gram, he reduce that sugar. Means there is a fixed value from where you are able to see that when it approximately near 1 kg, means it may be 999 gram and 1.0102 kilogram, then he give you the 1 kg sugar. So in the same respect, the comparison of physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. So in phase you can say, as I told you, the comparison of physical quantities mean when you move to the shop and say please give me 1 kg sugar, or then by seeing the weigh machine, sometimes it is 1.01 kg, 1.02 kg, 999 kg, or sometimes 1.10 kg, then he reduces the sugar and then it is approximately the standard unit 1 kg, then he gives you sugar. So here the comparison of physical quantity which see the earlier or after through the measuring be compared with its standard unit. As I say 999 gram, or it may be 1.01. In this phase he add means shopkeeper add 0.001 gram to complete 1 kg. Here 1.10 he reduces 0.10 kg to, means 1.10 he reduce 0.10 kg, then he give you 1 kg approximately. So here the comparison of physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. That is the definition of measurement. The comparison of physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. As in first case I said basic unit. Now I am going to describe basic unit. As I yesterday told you, length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Means I told you about length, means it is base quantities and base unit, and third one is symbol. Base quantities, first one is length, then mass, then time, then temperature, then electric current. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, electric current, amount of substance, amount of substance, and then is luminous intensity. Its symbol is meter, length symbol is meter, mass kilogram, base unit, it is base unit, time second, and temperature it is Kelvin, electric current it is ampere, amount of substance it is mole, and it is candela, luminous intensity, and symbol meter m, kilogram kg, small m not capital M, small m, second T, or you can say S, small s, Kelvin K, ampere A, mole MOL, candela CD. These are the basic unit. Base quantity is length, base unit meter, symbol M. Base quantity is mass, base unit kilogram, symbol kg. Base unit quantity is time, base unit second, and symbol S, small s. Base quantity is temperature, base unit Kelvin, symbol K. Base quantity is electric current, base unit ampere, symbol capital A. Base quantity is amount of substance, base unit mole, symbol MOL, mole. Base quantity is luminous intensity, base unit candela, or symbol CD. Next is supplementary. As I said, first of all basic unit, then supplementary unit, then derived unit. It is the supplementary unit. Supplementary unit are radian and steradian, and measured by plane angle and solid angle, plane angle and solid angle. Radian is measured by plane angle and steradian is measured by solid angle. These are derived units. No, derived is supplementary units. Now it's turned to derived units. Derived units are those units which are derived from fundamental quantities, are called derived units. Means as you achieve velocity, these are depend on displacement time, and acceleration on velocity and time, and force depend on mass and acceleration. These are called derived units. Definition is derived units are those quantities which are derived from fundamental units, and its example is velocity, V, acceleration, A, work, W. This is the means you have to learn only this thing. Those quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities is called derived units. Velocity is derived from displacement and velocity, time, acceleration from velocity and time, work from Wf dot s, means force and displacement. So as I told you about basic unit, supplementary unit, and derived. Basic unit are 7 quantities. These units, 7 quantities, these units, and this symbol M, kg, second, K, capital A, mole, and candela. And in this phase, supplementary is radian and steradian, measured by plane angle and solid angle. And derived units, those quantities derived from fundamental quantities, derived from fundamental quantities. Example: velocity, acceleration, work. Okay. If you have a confusion, then ask me.